How do I disable the FN lock on my HP laptop?
Hello and welcome to this quick guide. Today, we're going to walk you through how to disable the FN function lock on your HP laptop. If you're finding that your function keys are always active, overriding your regular keys, this guide is for you.
What is the FN lock?
The FN lock, or function lock, on your HP laptop controls whether the function keys at the top of your keyboard, F1 through F12, perform their standard functions or the special functions indicated by the icons printed on them. When the FN lock is turned on, you have to press the FN key and a function key to perform the standard function of that key.
How to identify if FN lock is enabled?
You can tell if the FN lock is enabled by trying to use your function keys normally. For example, if pressing F5 doesn't refresh your web page but instead dims your screen brightness or any other special function, then your FN lock is probably enabled.
How to disable the FN lock?
Disabling the FN lock is usually a straightforward process, but it can vary slightly depending on the model of your HP laptop. Here's a general method that works for most HP laptops. 1. Press and hold the FN key on your keyboard. It's usually located in the bottom left corner. 2. While holding the FN key, press the ESC key. The ESC key is typically found in the upper left corner of your keyboard. 3. Release both keys. This should disable the FN lock. Your function keys should now operate as they do normally.
What if the above method doesn't work?
If the method above doesn't work, try looking in your laptop's BIOS settings. To access these, 1. Restart your laptop. 2. As it starts booting up, press the F10 key repeatedly until you see the BIOS setup utility. 3. In the BIOS, look for an option related to the function keys or hotkeys. It may be under a category like System Configuration or Advanced. 4. Disable the option that locks the function keys to their special functions. 5. Press F10 again to save the changes and exit. Please remember to carefully follow these steps as modifying BIOS settings incorrectly can cause problems with your laptop. And there you have it. You should now know how to disable the FN lock on your HP laptop. Remember, the FN and ESC keys are your first go-to. If that doesn't work, then venture into the BIOS settings, but be careful. We hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for watching.